Here are some microbial results using the 12-gallon bioreactor. This is what I call data. Here you can see that there are some flagellates swimming or moving around and lots of fungal hypha. This is at 42 hours using a vermicompost that we had sitting for quite some time and was perhaps a little bit dried out, and that's why it took a full 42 hours to get all of our microbial groups that we're looking for. Plenty of flagellates and at least 2 or 3 different species. And here's a closer look. Now you can see that there's actually a number of different types of flagellates, and that's part of what we talk about with diversity. When we want to have a diversity in compost tea or in your compost period, that's included. Moving on to a sample from a 24-hour tea that we made from our vermicompost that we pre-activated or pre-fed 24 hours ahead of time, and this allows us to get similar results as we got with the 42-hour tea in a shorter duration. Here you can see that the walls of the fungal hypha has bacteria adhered to it, but over a period of time they might begin devouring it. But once the flagellates multiply more and get more busy, they pretty much control the bacterial population. Here you can see over in this spot there's a cluster or a few more flagellates. Not everything gathers all in one spot in a sample. You can see the flagella moving and sweeping bacteria to them as they consume the bacteria. Always fascinates me. And in the same sample, here's some bacteria up close and personal. Even the long strand there is a bacterial formation. You can see that there's spores, those white dots that are running the length of it. That's one way we can tell that it's bacterial. And also it's much thinner than fungal hypha. And the long rod bacteria are most likely a species of lactobacillus.